Looking for a dependable USB-C to DisplayPort cable that delivers stunning visuals and seamless connectivity? The Accell DisplayPort 1.4 cable offers exactly that with a total bandwidth of 32.4 gigabits per second, supporting resolutions up to 8K, 7680 by 4320. Whether you want 5K at 60 Hz, 4K at 120 Hz, or crisp 1080p, this cable handles it all without compromise. What sets this cable apart is its true bidirectional design. You can connect a USB-C host to a DisplayPort-enabled monitor, or flip it around to connect a DisplayPort source to a USB-C display. This flexibility makes it ideal for a wide range of setups, from professional workstations to gaming rigs. Compatibility is another strong suit. The cable works flawlessly with Thunderbolt 3, USB 4, and Thunderbolt 4 devices. It's also backward compatible with older DisplayPort versions like 1.2, ensuring it fits into your existing gear without a hitch. No matter your operating system, this cable has you covered. It supports Microsoft Windows, Mac OS, Linux, iPad OS, Chrome OS, and Android devices, provided your USB-C port supports DisplayPort alternate mode. That means you can rely on it whether you're using a MacBook, a high-end Windows PC, or even an Android tablet. At 6 feet, 1.8 meters, in length, the cable offers enough reach for most desk setups without excess slack getting in the way. This balance between length and manageability keeps your workspace tidy while letting you position your monitor comfortably. Users across the United States have praised this cable for its reliability and performance. One reviewer mentioned trying over a dozen USB-C to DisplayPort cables and adapters before finding this one, noting it's the only cable that consistently works without issues. That's a strong endorsement for anyone frustrated by flaky connections. Another user shared how it works perfectly with a MacBook M1 Max hooked into a KVM switch, highlighting zero screen blackouts, a problem they faced with 3 other cables. If you've dealt with intermittent flickering or black screens, this cable might be the upgrade you need. Gamers and creative professionals will appreciate the cable's flawless performance when connected to high-end gear. One buyer connected it to an NVIDIA RTX 3080's DisplayPort output and a Pro Display XDR 6K monitor, reporting no tearing or interruptions. That kind of stability is crucial when every frame counts. While the cable excels in many areas, it's worth noting it doesn't support brightness control through the connection. If you rely on adjusting brightness via your cable, you'll need to handle that through your display's settings instead. Still, the solid build quality and consistent performance make this cable a standout choice. It's designed to handle high data rates without faltering, so you won't lose picture quality or experience lag during critical tasks. If you're upgrading your workstation or setting up a new gaming station, this cable's 8K support future-proofs your setup. You won't need to swap cables as you move to higher resolution displays or faster refresh rates. In summary, the Accell USB-C to DisplayPort cable offers a rare combination of speed, reliability, and versatility. Its bidirectional functionality and broad compatibility mean it fits a variety of devices and use cases effortlessly. Worth a look if you want a cable that just works, no fuss, no guesswork. The peace of mind that comes with stable video output and no interruptions is invaluable, especially when you're investing in premium displays. Try it when you're ready to experience hassle-free connectivity with support for the latest video standards. Whether you're a content creator, gamer, or professional, this cable delivers consistent results every time. Don't settle for cables that drop frames or cause blackouts. Choose one that's been tested and trusted by users who demand flawless performance under pressure. The Accell USB-C to DisplayPort cable is more than just a connector. It's a reliable link that keeps your workflow smooth and your visuals sharp. If that's you, upgrading to this cable will change how you connect your devices for the better. It's a straightforward solution that meets the demands of today's high-resolution, high-refresh rate displays. In the end, the right cable makes all the difference. With Accell's 1.4 DisplayPort cable, you get what matters most: quality, compatibility, and peace of mind for your display setup.